Today, we're going to discuss a common problem that many of us face. Yes, eye bags. They can make us look tired, older, and sometimes even sick. But don't worry, I've got you covered with some natural remedies that will help you get rid of those pesky eye bags fast. 1. Cucumber slices. Cucumber slices are a classic remedy for eye bags. The cooling effect of the cucumbers helps to reduce the puffiness around your eyes. Cut 2 slices of cucumber and place them on your eyes for about 10 to 15 minutes. You'll feel refreshed and your eye bags will be gone. 2. Tea bags. Tea bags are another great natural remedy for eye bags. The caffeine in tea helps to reduce inflammation and constrict blood vessels, which in turn reduces puffiness. Soak 2 tea bags in warm water for a few minutes, then place them in the fridge to cool. Once they're cool, place them on your eyes for about 10 to 15 minutes. 3. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which makes it a great natural remedy for eye bags. Apply a small amount of aloe vera gel under your eyes and massage it gently for a few minutes. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes before washing it off with cold water. Repeat this process daily and you'll see a significant improvement in the appearance of your eye bags. 4. Potato slices. Potatoes have a natural bleaching agent that helps to lighten dark circles and reduce puffiness. Cut 2 slices of potato and place them on your eyes for about 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse your eyes with cold water and repeat this process daily for best results. 5. Cold spoon. Using a cold spoon is a quick and easy way to reduce the appearance of eye bags. Place 2 spoons in the fridge for a few minutes until they're cold. Then, place the back of the spoons on your eyes until they warm up to your body temperature. Repeat this process a few times until you see a visible improvement in the puffiness around your eyes. 6. Sleep and hydration. Last but not least, make sure you're getting enough sleep and staying hydrated. Lack of sleep and dehydration can cause puffiness and dark circles around your eyes. So make sure you're getting at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night and drinking plenty of water throughout the day. So, these were some of the natural remedies that you can try to get rid of your eye bags. Remember, consistency is key, and you need to be patient to see the results. Stick to natural remedies that are safe and effective for treating eye bags. Also, if you have any allergies or skin conditions, please consult a doctor before trying any of these remedies. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to share your favorite natural remedies for treating eye bags in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.